Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about animations. Here's the banner. Click Animate. There is no animation. If all animations are empty, click Auto Animate. Now check the layers. There is no animation here either. Click Auto Animate, and our artificial intelligence will choose the most suitable animations for each layer. Let's see. Note that this function gives us only appearance animation, but you can add other animations or edit existing ones. Every animation has adjustable parameters. In Bounce, you can change opacity and scale. Let's examine animations separately. In your editor, you can use all preset animations and edit them. Hover over a button to see how it plays. Fade animation. With zero opacity, the slide moves. We also have unique animations related to rotation and swipe. Text layers can use text animations by letter or by word. Each word appears separately. I'll show one animation in detail. This is the by-letter animation. We have accent animations. They are used when an object already has an entrance and we want to draw attention to it. There are both static and moving ones. Text layers also have text animations, such as glow or wave. Now let's look at disappearance animations. Everything is the same here. You can use both static and moving animations. Hover over one to see how your object will disappear from the canvas. Let's choose one and play it. As you noticed, the frame duration increased. You can edit the standard animation card in the panel on the right, or create your own custom animation. Click Custom and go to the panel on the right. We can set opacity and scale. For example, set scale to 0 on entrance. For a movement animation, you can set the length. At what point does the object arrive? You can set it in pixels or percentages. In my opinion, pixels are more convenient because they always give a predictable result. This panel also lets us flip elements along the X, Y, and Z axes. Let's set the parameters. You can also set the easing, which affects how the animation plays. Let's see what we got. Let's look at the button and text. The button appeared flipped as set and returned to its usual position from the animation step. We can also create an accent custom animation. We can increase its length and set all the parameters. We can make a disappearance animation the same way. Let's set its scale to 0 so it becomes invisible, and its opacity to 0 as well. Let's add a few % of rotation. Let's see what we got. Click Play. The button appeared with a flip. It turned with an accent and disappeared. You can quickly create an animation with Auto Animate or set all the parameters point by point for each animation. Thank you for your attention.